In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Joy-Con or controller vibration on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app first, and then scroll down until you are in the section called Controllers and Accessories. Within here, move down until you are on the option called Controller Vibration, and you can use the toggle switch here to turn it off. You can read the message underneath the option for more information. That's how to turn off Joy-Con or controller vibration on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.